They are black, they are big, and they go on the heavy haulers, but what happens to them when they're finished? Well, with new technology here in the oil sands, they're no more. Some of the biggest trucks in the world use some of the biggest tires in the world, and disposal of these tires have been an ongoing issue, well, until now. Suncor teamed up with Acden and Titan to convert these massive tires back to their original state using environmentally friendly technology only found in Fort McMurray.
This process is amazing. It's the only one in the world that I know of. It's patented, and we're pretty excited about it.
The green carbon system that we developed and patented takes either whole tires or very large earth mover tires and puts them inside of a reactor. And in the reactor, we're heating the tire. And as the tire starts to heat, it starts to turn into a vapor. And as we pressurize it, we put it back through our system so that 96% of the energy that it takes for us to convert the tire actually comes from the gases in the tire itself. And so when we open the reactor door, what we have is just the steel from the tire left, which looks like it's a woven yarn ball. We pull that out, put it into a dumpster, and that's reprocessed into making new steel. The carbon black is used to make new tires, and the oil can be used in various applications.
The environmental benefits include waste and greenhouse gas reductions, along with reducing the carbon footprint, an issue leaders from around the world are pushing for.
One of the problems that ARMA has in the province and within Canada is that how to deal with these tires in the region, and we've come up with a solution, and finally we've come up with a material that I think we could get rid of the problem once and for all.
This is just another example of Suncor willing to work with the business community to reduce our carbon footprint, if you will. And I remember, you know, over 30 years ago, the first time I drove a truck, the tires weren't that big, but they were still big tires, and up until now you had to take these tires and put them on a truck, get them going down the highway. So here it is, another made in McMurray solution.
A solution that Suncor is hoping to provide for the rest of the oil sites. With sites being open to the public, criticism is high, but the industry is making these new strides environmentally.
I call them the godfathers of the oil sands. Suncor and Syncrude have set the stage, I'd say globally, if anybody ever wanted to take a good look. And it's easier for someone to come in here on their own private jet, you know, give us a couple of kicks on the way out the door. But
the oil sands needs to be proud because my understanding, they're the first in the world to come up with a solution like this. And I guess we'd maybe want to challenge the other guys across the line and on the other side of the world that, you know, say it's dirty. Look at this.
And look, we will, as change is happening. For Go with innovation in the oil sands, I'm Doug Roxburgh.